Hello, this is Simon Grundy from Nation Radio. It's been many years that I've been hosting this event, but it's always one of the best things that I do every year.
My name is Councillor Effersham Park. I'm the Mayor of Sunderland. I'm here today in Washington, Concord for the Christmas light switch on.
I've been coming here for the past 6 years with the kids. Absolutely great for the community. The kids love it, the adults love it.
Me and my friends come every year. This is so great for the kids, all the lovely rides.
Hi, my name is Sophie Gordon and it's absolutely fabulous to be down here singing at the Concord Light Switch On.
Hi, I'm Linda Williams. I'm one of the councillors in Washington. We fund this as an area committee.
It's great to see everybody come together as a community.
Where people can come together just for a couple of hours on a cold autumn night
But that's fine because we're Northerners.
And we're all looking forward to the fireworks at the end.
and kickstart Christmas in Washington.